Welcome back to my channel Mini Teaching. Today I am going to teach you how to draw heart. Like this. Put your hands. This is heart. It's a red color. Now I will show it in the first. This heart. I'll show it one more time. Heart. I will show it once more time. Heart. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, and let's see you next video.